plant-based protein alternatives. That's our topic today. Hi, Amanda.
Hi, Gia.
Now, why is protein so important anyway?
Well, it actually makes up pretty much every part of our body. So our muscles, our bones, our skin, for example.
So it is important.
It is very important. And for kids, it's especially important for growth.
For growth, right, okay.
Now, we're talking about plant-based proteins,
Yes.
and some of the benefits of these is that they tend to be lower in energy, lower in saturated fat and cholesterol, as well as higher in fibre, vitamins, minerals and antioxidants.
So
too.
packed with goodness.
Yeah, that's right.
So back in the past, they used to say you have to combine to get the right protein. Is that a thing of the past?
Yeah, it is. Well, where that comes from is that proteins are made up of amino acids, and you actually need all 9 of the essential amino acids to make the protein in our bodies. So they used to think, like you said, that you've got to eat all of those amino acids, the essential ones, in one meal to make that protein. But we now know that's not the case, and you can just eat a variety of plant foods over the day and get those amino acids over the course of the day, and that's fine.
Okay, perfect.
Yeah.
So what are some, I know you've got a few things here, but can you give us some example of the plant-based proteins?
Yeah, so these are some of the best sources of protein. So we've got soy, so things like soy milk, yogurt, tofu, tempeh. So these are great because they're actually a complete protein. So they've got all of those essential amino acids in them.
That's awesome.
My kids absolutely love tofu. They'll eat it by itself. They'll eat it.
You get the flavoured one, which is great now.
Yeah, the flavoured ones are great. So there's lots of ways that you can use that, or of course soy instead of dairy. Then the other one is legumes or beans. So these ones are really versatile. You can use them in lots of different ways. So you can put it in a spaghetti sauce. Kids love that.
That's
or
awesome.
make some Mexicans or enchiladas or nachos or something like that.
That's awesome, yeah.
There's also these great little roasted chickpeas for a snack.
My kids love that in the lunchbox.
Yeah, delicious. Or baked beans on toast, or even some hummus with some crackers.
Even some hummus with baked beans on toast. How about that?
Yeah, why not?
Go all out.
The next are whole grains. So these are actually really high in protein too.
Okay.
So particularly I want to focus on quinoa. So this is a complete protein as well.
Okay.
And it's actually really high in protein for a grain too. So this one's great in a salad, or you can use it in place of rice.
And it's got all the aminos in there.
It does, that's right.
There you go.
Then nuts. Great as a snack, or I know kids often don't like whole nuts, so you can use a nut butter instead.
That's awesome.
On bread, veggie sticks dipped in. And lastly, we have the vegetarian convenience sort of products. They are really convenient and great for a quick meal, but just check the fat and sodium or salt content, because they can be high.
Thank you so much, Amanda. If you want some more recipes, I've got recipes with all these ingredients, so that would be awesome too. Thank you for joining us. We'll see you guys next time.